Welcome to the presentation of the ARM butter filling and packaging machine. This advanced machine is designed for filling and packaging butter, margarine, and similar products in aluminum foil, parchment paper, or EcoLine. The ARM machine ensures precise packaging for creamy products. It is suitable for butter margarine spreads, edible fat quark. This high-performance machine can process up to 80 packages per minute and offers flexible portion sizes from 10 to 25 grams. Thanks to its adjustable portion height, you can produce rectangular, stick-shaped, or semi-round portions. For maximum efficiency, the machine provides two feeding options. Through a hopper with an auger conveyor, direct feeding from the production line via a resting pipe. The volumetric dosing system ensures high accuracy. The ARM machine is designed with intuitive control. With a modern PLC system and an HMI touchscreen, all parameters can be easily adjusted. The highest safety and hygiene standards are ensured. Stainless steel dosing unit, rotating table with synthetic inserts, safety covers, guiding sensor UV lamp for sterilization. For enhanced flexibility, optional features are available. Central lubrication system for reduced maintenance. Printing options. Inkjet or thermal printer for customized packaging. The ARM butter filling and packaging system is the ideal solution for efficient and precise packaging of butter and margarine. Want to learn more? Contact us today. Herzig Industry Solutions.